Pentek provides leading-edge board and system-level solutions for the most demanding requirements in data acquisition, digital signal processing, and software radio applications through excellence and innovation.
Today we'll be taking a closer look at the Pentek model 78670. This is a PCIe board from our family of Cobalt data acquisition and processing products. Now this is a PCIe form factor board, but all the same functions are available in XMC, 3U and 6U compact PCI, and 3U VPX from commercial to full rugged versions. At its core, the 78670 is a 4-channel, 1.25 GHz 16-bit D-to-A board. Each of the D-to-A converters has its own dedicated digital up converter and can interpolate by a factor of 2, 4, 8, or 16. Behind the D-to-As is a Virtex-6 FPGA, 2 GB of DDR3 synchronous DRAM, an onboard timing generator with multi-board synchronization capabilities, and an industry-standard Gen 2 PCIe interface. While the 78670's FPGA can be an excellent platform for running user-created processing and data manipulation functions, the 78670 ships from the factory with 4 sophisticated waveform playback modules. These built-in functions allow the board to operate as a powerful 4-channel signal generator without having to develop any FPGA IP. Let's take a closer look. The waveform playback module is based on a DMA engine controlled by a linked list table. You can store several different waveforms for playback in either host system memory or onboard RAM. Then by filling out the D-to-A linked list table, you can create complex playback sequences to the D-to-A converter. Each link specifies the starting address in memory, the waveform length, the number of repeat cycles, and the next link to play. These links can then be played sequentially either with or without triggers to start them. Beyond board features and performance, ease of use is another feature that differentiates the Cobalt family. A flexible onboard timing generator can supply the sample clock from a user-programmable VCXO, requiring no external clocking signals. The 78670 can also receive a sample clock from an external clock source. If the application requires locking to a system timing signal, the 78670 can receive a 5 or 10 MHz system clock for locking the VCXO. This is ideal for synchronizing the sample clock in multi-board systems. In addition, the 78670 has a pair of front panel timing connectors for distributing gate and SIG signals across multiple boards. Pentek offers a variety of clocking and synchronization products available in rack mount and board level form factors. These are ideal for building larger multi-channel synchronized systems. The Model 9192 is a rack mount synchronizer and timing distribution amplifier capable of syncing up to 12 78670s. Here it's being used with 2, creating an 8-channel synchronized signal playback system. Another challenge when designing systems is managing heat and power. This requires additional attention in smaller, tightly spaced systems used in harsh environments. The Cobalt family addresses this with 6 onboard voltmeters for monitoring all critical supplies, and 11 onboard temperature sensors located in strategic positions throughout the board. These monitors are ideal for evaluating system-level cooling and can be integrated into an application control panel for easy operator access. Cobalt boards support user-programmable alarm thresholds, so if a chassis fan or other system-level component should fail, the board can generate an interrupt to the system computer in addition to lighting a front panel LED indicator. Many applications can be satisfied with the built-in IP functions where no FPGA IP development is required. But for many applications, the Cobalt module is an ideal platform for custom processing IP development and deployment. Pentek has developed the GateFlow FPGA design kit for just this purpose. Designed to work with the Xilinx ISE design suite, GateFlow supplies all of the built-in functions as IP modules with VHDL source and test benches. GateFlow creates a user application container where all interface signals to the module are fully defined and documented. The factory-installed acquisition modules are created in this space. Partitioned this way, your custom IP can reuse any of the Pentek IP or replace some or all of the factory-installed functions as your application requires. Pentek's ReadyFlow board support package provides the software development component to the Cobalt family. Delivered as a high-level C language library, ReadyFlow contains all the routines for board configuration and operation. Available for Windows, Linux, and VxWorks operating systems, ReadyFlow libraries are fully documented with C source code provided. ReadyFlow requires no runtime license, and a single seat can be used for multiple projects. The ReadyFlow BSP includes many application examples that can be used as tutorials or as a foundation for your application. ReadyFlow also includes pre-compiled examples that can be started through a command line interface. Simply enter the command with parameters for which channels to enable, the number of data sets to acquire, and a destination for the data, and the board will begin operating. Data can be sent to a file, to another application, or to the included ReadyFlow signal analyzer, where it can be displayed and measured in both time and frequency domains. With the command line interface and the signal analyzer, you can be up and running within minutes of opening the box and without writing any code. The 78670 is a perfect fit for systems that need multiple high-speed transmit channels. The built-in Waveform Playback modules make it a sophisticated waveform generator right out of the box. Channel-to-channel synchronization across one or more boards make it ideal for beamform transmit arrays. The built-in up converters simplify the design of communications transmission systems, and the Virtex-6 can handle real-time DSP tasks such as modulation and signal encoding. In its full rugged and conduction-cooled configuration, it's an excellent match for high-altitude UAVs and harsh environments. The Cobalt family of products are available in a variety of different form factors, from XMC to 3U and 6U compact PCI to 3U VPX and PCIe. Available in versions suitable for commercial to full rugged and conduction-cooled applications, development can be started on a desktop PC and then move to deployment in the harshest environments. Multi-board synchronization, system-level monitoring functions, and built-in board features simplify your system design. With ReadyFlow BSPs, your application can be developed on Windows, Linux, or VxWorks platforms. And if your application requires the development of custom FPGA processing IP, the Gateflow FPGA Development Kit provides a fully documented and tested platform to build on. All Cobalt modules can be configured with memory and FPGA densities that match your specific requirements. And all Cobalt boards are provided with lifetime support via email, knowledge base, and direct phone access, helping ensure your ultimate success.
Contact Pentek for price and delivery and for application design ideas.